Hare Krishna. In this short video, we will learn how to install an application in Google Drive that will help us to record audio directly into Google Drive without going anywhere else. So let's begin. When you open drive.google.com, it will look like this, as you're familiar with it. At the top right hand corner, you will find these 9 dots, which open all the application that Google Drive supports. So basically what you need to do is scroll all the way down and you will find more from G Suite Marketplace. So click on that. Once you click on that, the G Suite Marketplace will open up, and so let's find our app. The name of our app is Cloud Sound Recorder. It's a very apt name for what it does. So let's open that. And then once you open that, you should see something like this. If you see other options, then make sure you select the right one over here. It should look exactly like how you are seeing on the screen right now. Let's click on this blue button next to it and click on install. To install this application in Google Drive, it will go through certain phases. So you just keep carry on, and then that's it. It's done. It's installed. Now what we do is we go to drive.google.com, and once it opens up, we will click on these 9 dots over here, and then if you scroll down again right to the bottom, you will see cloud audio recorder over here, because we have now installed it. So click on that icon, and then you're ready for recording. So let's see how this application works. So before we do that, let's go to our drive and let's create a new folder where you want to save these audio recordings. So I will create a new folder called audio recordings, and you can name it whatever you want. So what will happen is we want to store all our audio recordings here. So let's go back here, and then let's start recording. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. When you are done, say pause, stop, and then we can export as MP3 or WAV. WAV is better quality. Let's use MP3 for now. And then what you do is you say save to Google Drive. So when you say save to Google Drive, then at the top over here, select the folder in which you want to save it. So for the first time, you will have to log in and authorize. So let's do that. Select your Google account where you want to store this, and then click allow. When you do that, your Google Drives will open up here. So we want to use this folder that I just created for saving my recordings. So now, and that's it. And then you can rename this file as, let's say, Mahamantra, or whatever you want to give. You can change the name of the file also, and just say save to Google Drive. And that's it. As you can see here, it is now uploaded to Google Drive. So if we go back to our drive and go to audio recordings, we should see this MP3 over here. And you can always preview this file. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. When you are done, and that's it. And then whenever again you want to go and record an audio, let's look at that one more time. You would go to drive.google.com, click on these 9 dots over here. At the bottom, you will find Cloud Audio Recorder. Click on that. And once you click on that, you start your recording. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. When you are done, stop, export as MP3, save to Google Drive. And then it already knows where to save your files in audio recording. So you don't have to select that again. You can change the name if you want or not. And just say save to Google Drive. And that's it. You are done. And you will find in Google Drive it is already there. So your second recording should also show up like over here. And that's it. So this is how this application works. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Bye for now.